Hi all, in this video we are going to learn the do's and don'ts of French liaison. I am your French tutor Manasi and let's parlons French. Let's begin with French liaison, the do's and don'ts. This is session 1. In this session I'll give you brief introduction of must-knows about liaison. So what is French liaison? French liaison is pronouncing the last silent consonant of the first word if followed by a vowel sounding word. Example: ils ont. This is the conjugation of verb être with third person plural il. So this has liaison as s in il is silent and it is followed by a vowel o from on. So s in the end gives sounds ils ont, ils ont. Whereas the conjugation of verb avoir in third person plural gives sound ils sont, because there are two consonants, there is no vowel followed by the s in il. So no liaison in this case. In ils ont there is liaison and ils sont there is no liaison. Now why French liaison? So why is it that we need French liaison? It is because to have ease of speech, ease of pronunciation. So, where to use liaison? So, the first place we use liaison is after a determinant. Example: un ami is determiner, un ami is the liaison. Mon ami, des amis, des arbres, ces arbres. Few other examples are les oiseaux, oiseaux, les oiseaux, 12 enfants, quels amis. Second is between a pronoun and a verb. Examples are on est là, ils ont faim, je les adore. Third is between adjective and a noun. Petites oreilles, grand hôtel. Here s changes into z and they, grand changes into te, grand hôtel. Fourth case is with short prepositions like dans, chez, dans une minute, chez oncle Peter, sans argent, Suzanne. Très exemple, c'est très amusant. Another place where the liaison is required is composite words or expressions. Example: les États-Unis, peut-être, comment allez-vous? Too many places where liaison is required. So now let's check where not to use the liaison. We don't have to use liaison when there is a. Also, we don't have to use liaison after singular noun. Example: un chat et un chien. Un chat et un chien. Also, we don't have to use a liaison before a verb where there is no pronoun. Example: le train arrive. Here, before the verb arrive, le train is noun and not pronoun. So no liaison here. Fourth case where there is no liaison is after a verb when noun is in singular. Tu vas un livre, Fifth case when there is no liaison is she is followed by proper noun. On va chez Anne. On va chez Anne. Sixth case where there is no liaison is before ash aspire. What is ash aspire? If you don't know, watch my video on ash aspire and ash mute. Example, le héros, le héros, le héros. Now there are some cases where liaison is optional, like after verb être and avoir. Example, ils ont un nouveau livre. Ils ont. Both are okay. Ils ont un nouveau livre or ils ont un nouveau livre. And the last case when liaison is optional is after verbs in plural. Les enfants mangent une pizza. Les enfants mangent une pizza. So this is all must-knows of French liaison. So that's it. In this video, you learnt all must-knows of French liaison. Hope this video was easy for you to understand. If this video has helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next new video, let's parlons French.